Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix virus scan failed error on Chrome browser. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click and expand attachments. Change value data to 1, click OK. Close and exit registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.